Okay, I'm going to do my first model unboxing of the Norscot Caterpillar 420 DIT. Um, this is my second one of the same exact model. Uh, I have the updated version also. Uh, I also have a video on my YouTube of my diorama that I built. But I'm going to do the model unboxing of this Caterpillar 420D. I got it from a guy on one of them Facebook groups. I guess I'm going to get to it and open it up, show you guys what it is. Put that over there. You do get an instruction booklet that tells you how to put the attachments on. First thing we got here is the H70 hammer. It's pretty cool. It'd be nice if it was spring loaded. We have the material handler. It's telescopic sections. Goes in, extends out. Pretty cool. Do have the forks, and it'd be nice if the forks would fold in and slide in and out. You got your auger. It's pretty cool. It'd be pretty cool if the auger bit itself would spin. It'd be awesome. Now, let's get this out. We have the backhoe, which is one of my favorite models made by Norscot. You do have the rubber pads for highway use. You flip it around and you have the back side for dirt. Reach height is that high. It's for reach height. Digging depth is the digging depth. Get another box up here because it goes down a good ways. That box up there. You have your digging depth. Just that far. It does go up. You have your digging bucket, trench bucket, whatever you want to call it. Use your imagination. Extender hose slides in and slides out. Stick goes in, your boom will go down. Your stabilizers, wow, these are pretty stiff. I like that. My other one, I'm gonna have to stiffen up the swing of the boom and the stick, but it will hold the model up. It's pretty cool. And the awesome thing about it is the cylinders are stiff enough to hold the whole machine off the ground, which is pretty cool. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm hoping this can make it to YouTube. I do have videos on my YouTube of my diorama. Thank you guys for watching.